In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a landing page directly within MailerLite, the powerful email marketing platform that helps you capture leads and grow your business. MailerLite's Sites feature lets you create and manage website pages, including sleek landing pages, all from one central location. If you've been struggling with clunky website builders or complicated integrations, this is the tool you need. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your MailerLite account. Simply go to MailerLite.com and click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, and you'll be granted access to your MailerLite dashboard. Now that you're in, let's move on to the next step. Open the Sites section. You'll find this on the left-hand navigation menu. Just click on Sites, and it will expand to reveal all the website pages you've created within your MailerLite account. It's a straightforward process, but keep in mind that having a well-organized Sites section is key to managing your entire online presence. Next, you need to locate the landing page you want to update. You'll see a list of all your pages here. Scroll through the list until you find the specific landing page you're working with. It's helpful to name your landing pages clearly, so you can quickly identify them. Keeping your landing pages organized reduces the amount of time you'll spend searching for the page you need. Once you've found it, click on the landing page name. This will open the page in the page editor, which is where you'll make all the changes. Now select Edit from the options that appear. This action activates the editing mode, preparing you to modify any part of the page's design and content. Now that the editor is open, it's really important to take a moment to review the existing content. Look at all the text, images, forms, and buttons. Really assess what's currently on the page and how it's performing. This initial review is crucial for understanding what needs adjustment and for ensuring you're making strategic changes to improve your conversion rates. A good starting point is to check the analytics to see which elements are driving the most engagement. Let's talk about updating headlines. Headlines are one of the most important elements of your landing page, so it's worth taking your time in crafting a compelling message. Edit the titles and promotional messaging to be clear, concise, and focused on the benefits your visitors will receive. Don't be afraid to experiment with different wording to see what resonates best with your audience. Strong headlines can significantly boost your conversion rates. Moving on, you'll want to modify text blocks. These are often used to provide more detailed information about your offer, explain features, or give clear instructions to your visitors. Change descriptions, features, or instructions to be more targeted and persuasive. Remember, the goal is to address your audience's pain points and convince them to take action. Using bullet points can also help break up large blocks of text and make the information easier to digest. Now, let's replace images. High-quality images can dramatically improve the visual appeal of your landing page and make it more engaging. Upload new images if needed, ensuring they're relevant to your offer and visually appealing. Optimizing your image sizes will make your page load faster too, a key element of a great user experience. Don't just use any old image. Select a visual that truly captures the essence of what you're offering. Next, you need to edit your forms. Forms are essential for collecting leads. Update the fields, groups, or form settings to ensure they're capturing the information you need. Consider adding fields that will help you segment your audience and tailor your marketing messages. A well-designed form can drastically improve your lead generation efforts. It's time to adjust buttons. Buttons are what your visitors click to take the desired action, so make sure they're clear, prominent, and enticing. Change button text, links, or actions to motivate your audience. Use action-oriented language like "Get started," "Download now," or "Sign up today." Consider using contrasting colors to make your buttons stand out. Now let's add some new content blocks. MailerLite allows you to drag and drop additional sections into your landing page, giving you incredible flexibility to customize your design. Drag additional sections into the page to add more content or features. This is a great way to diversify the layout and improve the page's visual appeal. Don't feel limited. Experiment with different content blocks to find what works best. Finally, you might need to remove unwanted blocks. If a section of your page isn't working or simply isn't needed, you can delete it. Delete outdated content that's no longer relevant or effective. Keeping your landing page clean and focused will help you maintain a professional and engaging design. Okay, now that you've added and deleted content, you want to rearrange the layout elements. Move sections into a better order for a more logical flow. Consider the customer journey and how you want visitors to interact with your page. A well-structured layout can significantly improve your conversion rates. Before you publish, it's absolutely vital to review mobile view. Ensure your landing page displays correctly on smaller screens, such as smartphones and tablets. Many users will be accessing your page on mobile devices, so it's crucial that it's responsive and easy to navigate. Use the browser's zoom function or a desktop site preview to check. It's preview time. Now, use the preview feature to inspect the updated design. This will show you how your landing page looks and functions without publishing it live. The preview is your last chance to catch any errors or make adjustments before you go public. Time to save those changes. Click Save to save your changes to the page. Once the page is saved, you've completed the major editing tasks. Now let's publish the page. Now it's time to republish the page. Click Publish to make the updated version live. This will immediately make the changes visible to your visitors. You can always revert to the previous version if needed, so don't be afraid to experiment. Let's verify the live page. Visit the published URL and confirm the updates appear. Double-check every element to ensure everything is working as expected. This final verification step confirms that your changes have been successfully implemented. Finally, test forms and buttons. Make sure all interactive elements work properly. Click through every form field and button to confirm they're functioning correctly. Testing ensures a seamless user experience and maximizes your conversion rates. And that's it. Your MailerLite landing page has been successfully updated and republished with the latest content and design changes. You've learned how to efficiently edit your pages directly within MailerLite, a process that will significantly streamline your lead generation efforts. Remember to continually monitor your landing page's performance and make further refinements as needed. To help you remember these steps, save this video and revisit it whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching.